I've been standing on that business and my waters on go. The way that I was raised, I ain't never gon' fall. I wake up early to eat good, I need my egos and toast.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Tactical Trail back, man, back with another video where we always keeping everything tactical over here, man. And I'm coming with y'all with this video today, like I promised y'all last video. We gonna get into this little review of this this pistol I got. So you know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know what that sign is right there, that's a Sig Sauer. You know what I'm saying? These guns ain't cheap, bro. These guns are not cheap at all. But I went to pick this gun up yesterday. I actually got it for a nice little number though, cause I think the market price where they come out at is like $750. I think it's like $750 or something like that. So I actually got it for $700 though. It was $699 on the markdown. But yeah, man, I gotta say this probably this is my best gun in my collection, hands down. Like this is the best pistol that I got in my collection, my favorite. Yeah, man, it's a great gun, man. So we gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing, man. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, come with the pistol with a little lock in it, you know what I'm saying, for safety measures, you know what I'm saying. It do come with 3 magazines. This is a 17 round magazine, if y'all can see that. It's a 17 round mag, and it come with two 21 round mags, y'all can see. So that ain't no bad deal, you know what I'm saying? 3 magazines from the factory, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. But yeah, 2 21 mags, 1 17 round mag. And let me go ahead and get this gun unlocked, take the lock off of it for y'all. So yeah, man, this is the Sig Sauer M17. You know what I'm saying? It is chambered in 9mm. You know, and the only reason why I was really interested in this gun is because the military just won this contract. This is what the military is carrying now. You know, and I was thinking to myself, I'm like, I know they was in competition with the new Glock 19X with the threaded barrel, the MOS cutout and everything. So I was like, this got to be a bad gun. This gun got to be pressure for to beat the Glock out. So, you know, so I decided to go pick it up. I found it at my local store. Decided to go pick it up. So let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. Everything is cleared. Safe direction. Safe direction. So let's start off. As you can see, you know what I'm saying, we got the, I think they call it Coyote Brown FDE, whatever you want to call it. You know, it do have a ambi safety on it. Safety on this side, safety on that side, you know. Safety. Do got ambi slide lock. One on that side, the other on this side right here. The breakdown lever is not ambi, you know, so there's only one breakdown lever. I mean, that's typical though. You know, this is the mag release. Got a typical mag release. You know what I'm saying? Bottom Picatinny rail, full Picatinny rail for you want to put a flashlight, laser, whatever you want to put on it. So, I mean, yeah, man, this gun is not bad at all. I half shot it, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna wait and shoot it with y'all, but I just couldn't resist just sitting there looking at the gun. I had to go ahead and shoot it. Yeah, man, it's not a bad mag. I mean, bad gun. I say, man, this is how it looked with the 17 round mag, and it's a good, get a good grip on it. I like the shape of the frame. It's real, and it kind of flares out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I rock with that. It's not a bad feel at all. And this is how it looks with the 21 round mag in it. Don't look too bad. Like I said, I got big hands, so it cover up most of it. But it still does not feel bad at all though. But 3 mags is very good for a stock gun. I would say the only complaint that I got about this gun is, you see how the back sights are connected to the MOS cutout. And I did my research on that. You really have to take the whole slide off, take the back plate off, take the whole striker system out, take the extractor pin out, and there's 2 little screws down there. You got and that's just way too much. And I feel like anytime you run a red dot, I like to have backup sights, because you know your red dot could go out at any time. So I like to have backup sights, and you're taking away your back sight when you put any red dot on. So I don't really like that I believe in backup sights, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause when it's time to go get down and dirty and your sight go dead or your sight go out, you can't rock with nothing. The red dot gonna be blocking your front sight, so you ain't gonna have no type of picture. So let's see how the trigger pull is on here. You can see that's the take up right there, which is not bad at all. That's the take up. And that's the wall. I made the wall now. That's the brake. It's not bad at all. Let's look at the reset. Man, the reset too fast. Let's try that again. Brake. And reset. So the reset kind of got a lot of tension on it. You know what I'm saying? It is. It's not bad at all though. It's a great trigger in it. I like the trigger in it. I feel like that's probably the only reason why they beat Glock out. The reset is kind of choppy though. The reset is kind of choppy. You know what I'm saying? It's not great. It's not like an A1 trigger or anything, but it's a pretty good trigger. It's better than Glock trigger for sure. I know that it's better than Glock trigger. Yeah, man, this is my M17 Sig Sauer. And I was thinking about getting an M18 as well. They had that too for the same price. And I was thinking about getting an M18, but I was like, all my pistols are compact. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I do want a full-size pistol because this is a full-size pistol. So I do want a full-size pistol in my collection. So I was like, I'm going to go ahead and grab this. But, you know what I'm saying? In the package, you give you stuff that don't even really matter. They give you a little sticker in here. A little Sig Sauer sticker in case you want to stick it on your car window or your safe or whatever. It did come with a little Velcro patch for to like put on your like you carry a plate carrier or anything Velcro you can stick it on. Yeah, man, I have to say this gun is not bad at all. I really like this gun though, especially the finish on it. Like the color is so pretty on that thing. The color is so pretty on that thing. And it's not too big, as y'all can tell. I got big hands, but it's not that big. It's like your ordinary full-size pistol. You feel me? It's not that big at all. It's really not. Yeah, man, I love this thing though, man. But the next video, we're gonna go and run it at the range a little bit. You know, 'cause I only put probably about a mag through it. Just put like a mag through it. But we're gonna go ahead and take it to the range in my next video, and I'm gonna show y'all. You know what I'm saying, how it shoots, because I mean that's the main problem. I mean that's the main necessity of a gun. It don't matter how it looks, how good the trigger is. It's if it works and how well do it shoot. Yeah, man, this thing is not bad at all. I really like this gun. I really like this gun. I think I'm gonna use this as like my sidearm, because I got a whole tactical setup. But I'm gonna use this as my sidearm. I wonder if it'll fit the holster that I got. It haven't got here yet, but I'm gonna have to test that out, see if it's see if the holster was like universal. I have to test that out. But yeah, man. Yeah, but the sights, I like the sights. They're not too bad. The sights ain't bad at all. I was thinking about putting a red dot on here, but I think I might run it with iron sights. The iron sights are not bad on this gun at all. I think I might run them with iron sights. You know, the back sight is a little fat. You know, it don't have don't have a big window like a Glock sight or anything like that, but as you can see there, it is a kind of skinny window. But I like them though. I like them. No, I don't think it. I think the front sight may be going to dark. Night sight. I think the front sight may be a night sight, but I don't think the back sights are not night sights. Yeah, man, this is not a bad gun at all though. I think I'm in love. Found me a new love. I might have to put the Glocks down, man. I really might have to put the Glocks down and become a SIG, man. Everybody had a lot to say about SIG, but from my experience, I mean, I like it. And it got to be some type of good if the military carrying it. So I don't see what everybody got to say about it, but yeah, man. SIG Sauer M17. Best gun in my collection, man. Hands down. Best gun in my collection. I think I look good.
Nigga, please.
Boy, I got tatted up. Need to get back in the gym though. I ain't been in the gym in a while, but yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your mama, tell your sister, tell a friend, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'll let y'all next. Remember to keep that shit tactical.